Is XRP about to replace SWIFT? Or is this just another crypto rumor? The latest update might surprise you. First, understand this. SWIFT moves over $5 trillion daily between banks worldwide. It's been the backbone of international payments for decades. On the other side, XRP, created by Ripple, promises transactions in 3 to 5 seconds with very low fees. So is XRP replacing SWIFT? Not exactly. Recent developments show Ripple expanding partnerships with financial institutions, especially in cross-border settlements. But SWIFT isn't sitting still. It's also testing blockchain integrations and improving speed. This isn't a knockout fight. It's a technology upgrade battle. Ripple continues pushing its on-demand liquidity system using XRP, aiming to reduce the need for pre-funded accounts. That's where the real disruption could happen, cutting costs for banks. So will XRP replace SWIFT? Right now, it's competition, not replacement. But in finance, evolution happens fast. Subscribe for more real crypto updates. No hype, just facts.